everyone. Yes, this is Tinkercad. It is a free web app for 3D designs, electronics, and coding. Now, what you all need to do is just log into Tinkercad, go to 3D design for your first project, and then we are going to start tinkering. Let's see how we are going to start it and how to place any object and align it with other objects to make something that you have only visualized. Okay, now let's start and go to our first project, the 3D design. Now, once you open up this place, it is going to give you this shape that's called the work plane. The first thing you need to do is change the file name. File name comes here so that you know what you're working on. There's a right panel and the left panel. Now let's start by placing one object on the work plane. We are going to take a solid shape. When you click and drag, it comes on your work plane. Now you leave it, it's there. If you want to zoom in and look at it closely, you zoom in with the scroll wheel and zoom out with the scroll wheel. Now when the shape is selected, you can see that a small window has opened up. You can change the radius. You can look at the changes it is giving it to the shape that you have selected. You can change the smoothness. You can change the length by clicking on here. Also, you can change the number, the dimensions, and the same way you can change the width and the height like this. So why we are keeping it 20, 20, 20? Because it's a cube. Now let's zoom in and how to move it on the work plane when we are working on it. When you click on the place where are no nodes shown, click and drag and move it anywhere on your work plane. If you want to go up and down, click on this little triangle, go up and down. Alright, now this is a solid shape and I've told you how to change the dimensions according to your needs. The second thing that you can look at is how to change the color on this program only. Now click here, you can change it to have a better view of your desired design that you're working on. So you can change colors like this, you can change it into a transparent one, transparency can be different, so that's what you can do. Now the next thing I want to show you is this tool that's called Scribble. Click and bring it here. You have a two-dimensional work plane now. Here you can draw anything that you want, any shape that you have that you want to work on. For example, this is the shape. Now you can erase inside if you want to have a kind of a hollow option. So this is what you can do. You can even write. So there you have your name. You can even delete this or you can use undo option as well. Okay, so let me just erase that. I don't want it. So I've erased this. All right. Erase this. Perfect. Now I'm done with this. I'm going to go back. So I've got two shapes. One is a solid shape and the other one is a scribble. Again, I can change the color and hold on to the Alt key and move right next to it or here. So I've got three different things, duplicates of the same shape. I can use the undo option also. So a solid shape has been told to you and a scribble. Again, I can view from the left side in different ways. This is the front view. I can go to the right, left side, see the back or even the bottom. I can again go to home and see the proper view of the top view and the front together. Now the third thing that I want to show you is the text. I will click on the text and bring it here. How to change the text? Click on this text. You can write anyone's name, change the handwriting to any of these three. You can even change the color. And again, the different dimensions can also be changed. Again, you can bring it on the top of the work plane or the bottom. by moving with this triangle, or you can rotate it also with this option. You are rotating it. All right, so these are the things you can do. And if you again want to make a duplicate, click on Alt and move it over there. You want to delete it, click over here and delete. So these are the few things you have to keep in mind. Duplicate. Okay, now this is what you can do with your work by using a solid shape or a scribble or a text tool. So start exploring and start tinkering till we show you something else. Take care and bye bye.